In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Shopify product weights in bulk. If you're running an online store, you know how imperative it is to manage your inventory efficiently and keep product information up to date, especially when it comes to product weights, which can affect your shipping calculations. This tutorial will walk you through a quick and efficient way to adjust product weights in Shopify all at once so you can save time and ensure accuracy in your store management. First, let's start by accessing your Shopify store. Head over to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. From here, we're going to navigate to the products section. You can locate this on the left-hand side menu, which is usually the third option from the top. Click on the products tab to proceed. Now that you're viewing your list of products, you'll want to select them all for bulk editing. Look for a small checkbox that appears in the upper left corner of your products list. By clicking this box, you'll select all the products currently displayed on your page. If you're planning to edit specific items and not everything in bulk, you can selectively click the checkboxes next to each product you need. Once your selections are made, notice a button labeled Bulk Edit towards the top of the page. Click on this button to open up a new window for editing your selected products. This feature allows you to customize your view and make changes to specific attributes such as product weights. In the bulk edit view, look at the right hand side and find the columns option. You'll want to click on this to adjust what information you're seeing. A drop down menu will appear, and from here make sure to click on weight to add that column to your view. This step is crucial as it makes the weight column visible and editable. Now that you've added the weight column, it's time to edit the product weights. Simply click on the weight field in the column for any product you wish to change and enter the new weight values as required. This edit process allows you to input accurate weights quickly, ensuring your shipping costs and logistical operations run smoothly. After you're satisfied with the changes you've made, look for the Save button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. By clicking Save, you ensure that all the updates you've made to your product weights are securely applied and updated in your Shopify store database. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully edited your Shopify product weights in bulk, making your store management more efficient. Be sure to revisit this method whenever you need to make quick adjustments to your inventory details. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your Shopify store operations.